I want to show you this tea light candelabra. You can use it with real candles or you can use it with the battery powered candles. The gems look really nice and elegant and they're real glass. And the legs has a nice reflective gold color. And we have some rubber pads underneath so it won't damage your countertop. So I'm going to take it apart and measure everything and show you exactly what size everything is. So this is where your tea light candle will be sitting and it measures 2¼ inches. So it's perfect to fit any tea light candle up to 2 inches. So I'm just gonna put my pieces back together, and if for any reason you need to take yours apart, maybe you want to clean it at some point, this is how you'll do it, but it's a little bit easier to take it apart than it is to put it back together. You have to screw it from the inside piece when you're putting it back together. So let me give you the rest of the measurements. It's 14 inches across from one end to the other. And from the top to the bottom of each globe, it's 3½ inches. And each bowl is 4 inches across. And the base is 16¼ inches by 3 1/8 inches wide. And here's how I'm using my candelabra. It's very beautiful. I'm using it with fragrant tea light candles and it just brightens my space. And I love the quality of it. It's well made.